Have you ever wondered what could happen if a landlord bypasses the legal process to remove a tenant from their property? It is a serious question with significant consequences. Landlords who attempt an illegal eviction can face severe penalties. These can range from substantial financial fines and damages to criminal charges in some jurisdictions. The exact repercussions depend heavily on local and state laws. The core reason for these stringent penalties is to protect tenants from self-help evictions. Laws are designed to prevent landlords from taking matters into their own hands, such as changing locks, removing belongings, or shutting off utilities, which are all considered illegal evictions. These actions violate a tenant's right to peaceful enjoyment of their home and the due process of law. Many jurisdictions have specific statutes that outline these illegal acts and prescribe penalties to deter them. Courts generally take a very dim view of landlords who bypass established legal procedures because they undermine the justice system and can create unsafe living situations for tenants. This is why following the proper legal eviction process is paramount. To avoid these severe penalties, a landlord must always follow the legally prescribed eviction process for their jurisdiction. This typically involves providing proper written notice, filing an eviction lawsuit with the court, and obtaining a court order for possession. After that, a legal enforcement officer, such as a sheriff or marshal, must be the one to remove the tenant if necessary. Never attempt to remove a tenant yourself or restrict their access to the property. An interesting term you might hear is constructive eviction. This happens when a landlord makes a property unlivable, forcing the tenant to move out, even without directly asking them to leave. Things like failing to make necessary repairs, which renders the unit uninhabitable, can be considered a constructive eviction. This type of action can also trigger significant penalties, often treated similarly to a direct illegal eviction. Understanding this concept helps landlords recognize that even indirect actions can lead to legal trouble. Ultimately, the goal of these penalties is to ensure fairness and uphold the legal rights of both parties in a rental agreement. By understanding that illegal evictions carry serious financial and legal risks, landlords are encouraged to always relying on the court system to resolve tenancy disputes. This approach not only protects tenants but also safeguards landlords from avoidable legal entanglements and significant financial liabilities.